Okay, so this is my wife's car. We just want to do a quick rinse here because we might go out of town, so we're just gonna go ahead and get it all cleaned up real quickly. And I'm going to show her how to use this nice little nozzle. We already have put the wash in there. We're going to suds it up, soap it down, wash it off. It'll be great. All right. Okay, so now we got this little rascal set up. Wife's gonna turn on the water, and then we're gonna fill her up with some water. See? I'm just looking. All right, so she wants to make sure to clean the top really well and get the windscreen and fill up a little bucket. She likes to hand wash everything. This is her little baby. So here we go. Okay, so here we go. We're ready. We're just going to change this little thing there, right there. I'm going to turn it on to max.
Why?
Turn that to max. Okay, now we're adding foam to everything. Including up top.
And then scrub?
Yep. And just
water.
Yep, so now it's just spraying down with the water. Get rinsey, rinsey, rinsey. So this would be more of what I would call a maintenance wash, where you've already done a good detail and you're just coming back and cleaning it up a little bit every 3 weeks or so. Okay, so right now I'm just going to spray down some cleaner for the wheels. It's called wheel brightener, brake and dust cleaner. Just spray that down. For the other wheel, do the same thing. Same thing over here with these wheels. Over here.
I'm going to take off whatever you spray on it. So.
Yeah, so now I'm just gonna scrub dub this real quick and then go all the way around. You can see there's some dirt right there. Same thing here. Just get in there, try and get all those wheels cleaned. Wow, yeah, look at all that, nice and foamy. Yep, just rinsing off all this really well. So here's what we're using today on her car. It's the Super Foam Vehicle Wash Concentrate. And it's got a neutral pH and it's very good, very nice, very foamy. She likes it. And she also likes that little wand that I got for her that can mix everything together. So here's what we're going to be using is this drying towel that I got from O'Reilly's Auto Parts. It was like 20 bucks. Not bad. This one is 4 square feet, microfiber, and it works really well. I'll show you.
Hang on.
So all we got to do here at this point, when we're done, is to unscrew this, and I usually put it into the wash bucket. All right, so here we go. Here's the car. It's already been washed. It's been, you know, waxed. Wheels have been cleaned. Everything looks good. The top has been taken care of. All of the pieces, parts look excellent. Here we go. One maintenance wash out of the way. So that's the drying towel. We're just hand washing it, and we'll rinse it out, and then we'll just hang it up, and everything will be cozy.